Why IVF can be a blessing. That might seem a little paradoxical because being infertile is stressful and going through an IVF cycle is hardly a walk in the park, all those shots, all those injections, all that expense, and you're never sure whether it's going to work or not. But the truth is that IVF can be a blessing provided you understand what the blessing is. For one thing, IVF parents are much better parents than the ordinary parents simply because you spend so much time and energy on getting pregnant. You're going to treat your child like the apple of your eye. Of course, other parents do that too, but the amount of love and energy which is lavished on these children is remarkable. They make great students, great citizens because their parents care so much about them and want to make sure that they have a head start. I think IVF patients also make strong marriage partners. If you have the maturity to cope with the stress of IVF, it's very unlikely that anything else in the future will ever hurt your marriage. After all, you've been through a trial by fire, which can only make your marriage even stronger. And finally, I honestly think that IVF helps you to become a better human being. When you've been through the pain and suffering of being infertile, of having to go through treatment in order to get pregnant, you become a much more compassionate and a much more empathetic human being. You understand someone else's pain better because you've been through pain yourself. So I agree, it's much better not to be infertile. Making babies in the bedroom is much more fun. But do remember that every cloud has a silver lining. It's up to you to make the most of what experiences you go through.